Planning to explore Riga, but don't want to drag your luggage around? RadicalStorage offers a convenient and secure solution for storing your bags while you enjoy the city. In this guide, we'll show you how to deposit your luggage at a storage point in Riga using RadicalStorage, a reliable platform that partners with local businesses like hotels, shops, and cafes to provide safe and insured storage options. To avoid phishing sites, always use the secure link in the description to access RadicalStorage's official website. Once there, finding a luggage storage point in Riga is simple. Just enter Riga in the search bar, and you'll be shown a list of available storage locations throughout the city. Choose a location that's convenient for you, whether it's near popular tourist spots, transport hubs, or central Riga. After selecting your preferred drop-off and pickup times, proceed to the payment page. RadicalStorage guarantees a secure online payment process, so you can book with confidence. Once your booking is confirmed, you'll receive a reference number along with directions to the storage location. When you arrive, simply present the reference number to the staff, and they'll safely store your belongings. That's it. You're now free to explore Riga without the burden of your luggage. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below.